Today we are going to show you how to make this beautiful infographics in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video to the end. Let's begin the topic. This is new presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Insert a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape. Let me take a rectangle shape and drag it here. And its size will be 2.5 and its width will be 2.3 and make it align center and make it align middle. Now this is perfect. Now make it duplicates and place it here and make it height 0.62. Make it align center and make it align middle. Stack them and make it align at the bottom. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape. Let me drag it a rectangle here. You look this line, this means you are exactly in the center, and select all of them from here. Go to Merge Shape and make it fragment. Now let me select these fragments, remove from here, and this one also, and remove from here. Now let me select these one and change the color according to your choice. Let me select this color and let me select the other color from here like this one, and select both of them, make it no outline. Now let me go to Insert, go to Shape, take a rectangle and place it here and make it height 1.6 and make it size 2.2 and put it exactly in corner and select this one, make it group and rotate it 60 degrees, and let me adjust the size from here and put it exactly here. No, we do not need for this rectangle. Now let me select oval shape from here and drag it here, hold on the shift key and make it height 17 degree and make it width 17 degree, and let me adjust from here and place it here exactly and make it align center and make it align bottom, and go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Now select these one and these one, make it group. If you want to remove the shape outline from here, make it this kind. Now hold on the Control key and make it copy like this kind, exactly in this direction. Now this is perfect, and make it Control A from here and make it align left and make it align top. Now this is perfect, and let me select the top one, hold on the shift key and rotate it to 30 degrees. Now click here and select this one and rotate it 60 degrees, and let me select again the top one and rotate it 90 degrees like this kind. Now this is perfect. Let me zoom in, and from here let me change the color of each one according to your choice. Now let me zoom in from here. We have to rename each group. Select this one and open the selection pane from here. Select this one. Let me give the name of this one and place it exactly in the top, and let me make it 2 and let me make it 3 and let me make it 4. Now this is perfect. Now let me draw arc from here and set the diameter to 12, and from here set the diameter to 12 and rotate it from here, and let me adjust from here like this kind and put it here exactly in the center, and from here let me adjust it like this kind. Now go to enable the shape effect and let me go to line and make the width into 2 to 3. Go to begin arrow type, let me select these one, and from here let me select these one. Now this is amazing. If you want to change the color, let me change the color according to your choice like this kind. Let's add title and detail from here. Now let me select all the shape from here. Go to shape format, open the shape format from here. Go to shape effect, let me select a shadow from here and make the blur size to 0.5 and make the angle to 70 and make the distance to 20, and I am going to rotate it 150 degree. Now now this time to animate it, but this is kind of impossible. To solve this problem, let me open the selection pane from here and let me select all the shape like this kind and go to animation and make it to spine. Now this is perfect, and go to effect motion, make it counterclockwise and set the starting with previous. Now open the animation pane from here and select the first group. Go to spine and make it custom and rotate it to 150 degree and press enter, other than it not work, and make it smooth end. That's perfect. And let me select these one. Go to spine and rotate it 120 degree from here, and let me select these one. Go to spine and rotate it 90 degree and press enter and make it this kind. Now this is perfect, and let me select the other one and make it spine 60 degree. Click on enter and smooth will be like this kind. Now this is perfect. Now pass me that was the slideshow. This is perfect, and let me select all the infographic from here and make it to white. Now this is perfect, and effect motion will be from left. This is perfect, and select the arrow and make it white and from left. Now this is perfect and amazing, and select the arrow and make it with previous. Now let me select all the content from here like this. Go to spine like this kind. Now this is perfect and amazing, and now let me watch the slideshow. Now this is perfect and amazing.